China's lucky draw, but danger awaits. World Team Championships 2026 Men's Team Analysis. The men's draw is dominated by the People's Republic of China, led by world number 1 Wang Chuqin. They are the clear favorites to reach the final from the bottom half of the bracket. The draw has quietly worked out in China's favor. After a shaky group stage, they still land on the more manageable side of the bracket, avoiding both Japan and Sweden until a possible final. That alone changes the entire outlook of their campaign. It is not an easy road though. South Korea is the first real danger. They have already shown they can challenge China, and with players capable of upsetting top names, this is not a guaranteed win. If China gets through that, France becomes the biggest test. Before the final, France has been rising fast and looks like the most complete threat on that side. Sweden and France are the strongest threats. Sweden, the 2024 Olympic silver medalist, features world number 2 Truls Modergaard. France is led by the Lebrun brothers. China's path seems relatively clear. Japan, with world number 5 Tomokazu Harimoto and number 8 Sora Matsushima, remains a dangerous opponent. They need to pass Germany, and the other half of the draw is where things get brutal. Japan, Sweden and Germany are all stacked together, meaning at least 2 of them will eliminate each other before the final. Sweden's strong form and Japan's depth make that side unpredictable, while Germany always has the experience to disrupt anyone. Overall, this is a lucky draw for China, but not a free path. They still need to raise their level, especially after recent losses. If their key players find form at the right moment, a semi-final against France looks likely, and from there anything can happen. Predicted men's final: China vs Japan or France vs Sweden. Sweden has the recent pedigree of reaching major finals, and Modergaard's high ranking makes them a likely candidate to navigate the upper half. Women's team analysis: China remains the multi-time defending champion and possesses a lineup with the top 4 players in the world: Sun Yingsha, Wang Manyu, Chen Xingtong and Kuai Man. Japan is the strongest challenger to China. Their squad includes Miwa Harimoto, world number 8, and Hina Hayata, world number 9. Germany also presents a strong European challenge with Sabine Winter, world number 11. The women's draw feels more straightforward. China remains the clear favorite, with depth and consistency far above the rest. The real question is not who will win, but whether any team can seriously challenge them along the way. Predicted women's final: China vs Japan. Japan has consistently been the most competitive team against China in recent years and has the depth in ranking to overcome the rest of the field in the lower brackets. This tournament is shaping up exactly how fans want it: a balanced path for China, chaos on the other side, and the potential for a blockbuster final.
Read more about table tennis on my blog, PingSunday.com. Get free ebook and coaching advices. See you in the next video.